Okay, today I'd like to introduce you 4 background remover. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, this one is free, and this one is partial free, and then this one need to pay, and this one need to pay. But when speaking, pay one, the version, the background remover quality is very good. Okay, so for example, for the first one, okay, let me try one of the picture I download from. Okay, I choose the download table, use, reuse, and modification. Okay, so I use this one. I search. So I search for free to use, share, modify, even the commercial. So I did advanced search. Only this one, text image. So I choose this image to use. So okay, how to use it? You can see this image. Okay, this image heavy background. You see the lot of color, black and white, everything's okay. So and also that white shirt. For me, it's very hard to crop it. But anyway, we use this image for testing. So let's say for this one, come in here, just drag to here. The first one is called background burner. No worry, I will put the link below the YouTube, so you will see. You can click the link. Okay, you see it's very easy. So after this one done, you can choose which one you want to do a touch up. For me, I think this one is quite perfect, so we can touch up this one. So it's quite easy. You just need to do this one. Okay, just like a coloring. Okay, right. So of course, if you feel that you want to cut the smaller one, you can go to Pixel Tools. Then you can use this one. You can choose here, click here, choose smaller. And you can see here. And of course, here is the choose the one that you want to cut. For example, here, double click to this one here. So after finish, you just click it, the finish button. Okay, of course you need to sign up. Right, log in to download. It's very easy. Okay, the second one is the many people like to use photo scissor. So same thing, go to upload the image. So let's say I go this one. See, most of the thing cut already. So if you still not perfect like this one got red button, so you just click this one, then the resolution is can cut here. Oops, sorry, can cut. Where is it? Oh, too small. Oh, here, sorry, you have to cut here. Okay, like this. See that? Right. Of course, save. Most of them. So most of them, when you download, they give you free. The free version they give you low resolution. The you want good one, you have to do a purchase. So the third one I like to introduce this one. This one I like it very much. For example, so this one I put it here. So I click it. See, almost everything is cut. So what I do is I just need to do this one. Click. So of course some of them not perfect. You can use this one just like Photoshop. Okay, just click this one just like Photoshop. Cut. So it's more perfect, right? Then of course after you're done, you need to go save, subscribe. You need to subscribe and download because this one is a pay version. Okay, one credit one. You see. So last one I like to introduce is this one. This one I vote the most. I like it, but you need to pay. You got free one credit. Okay. Right. So, but anyway, remove background. This one can see. . He cut all the things for you, even that you can see the hair there. See, perfectly cut. So if you don't like, you can add it background image. Okay, example this one. Okay, then of course that you can, if you still don't like, you can brush size. You can choose anywhere you want. Okay, or restore. So that's it. This is for I need to introduce you. Okay, hope you like it. And link I will put below. We can do one more test here. You can see this one. I can do one more test like this one. Okay, we go back to remove background. This one. Close it. Upload image. For this one, we can test another for testing. You can see the image here. See, cut very perfectly. Of course, here's some here. You just need to do edit, erase, restore. We're done. That's all. So of course here, same thing. Okay, let's go back. Back. Okay, so I close this one. For this one, I got this one. Just drop. Then I got it. See, it cut perfectly. Same thing, the photo scissor. Let's delete. Okay, upload image. Here, put here. But of course, you still need to do some touch up. Okay, and then the last one is this one. So this one will be same thing you put here. Okay, still not 100% perfect, but anyway, you can do the touch up. You know what I mean. So all the four links I will put downstairs. You guys can check out. Okay, thank you. That's all.